Hello everyone, welcome back to Dude's Tech, and today we're diving into Best AMD AM5 Gaming Motherboard. If you're planning to build a powerful next-generation AMD gaming rig, this motherboard could be the foundation you're looking for. It's packed with performance, modern connectivity, and future-ready features. Let's get started. Today we're talking about the Gigabyte X870E Aorus Pro Ice Gaming Motherboard. The Gigabyte X870E Aorus Pro Ice Gaming Motherboard is built around the AMD AM5 socket and fully supports Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors. That means you're ready for current and upcoming AMD desktop CPUs without worrying about compatibility. It's designed for gamers and creators who want strong performance right from the start. Memory support is another big highlight. The Gigabyte X870E Aorus Pro Ice Gaming Motherboard features 4 DDR5 DIMM slots with support for AMD Expo technology. This allows easy memory overclocking while maintaining stability. DDR5 delivers faster speeds and improved efficiency, which helps in gaming, multitasking, and demanding creative workloads. Power delivery is handled by a robust 16+2+2 phase design with 80A smart power stages. This ensures clean and stable power to high-end processors, even under heavy gaming or productivity loads. Strong power design means better stability and long-term reliability for your system. Thermal performance is also a priority. The Gigabyte X870E Aorus Pro Ice Gaming Motherboard includes an advanced VRM thermal system and M2 thermal guard. These cooling solutions help maintain stable temperatures for both the CPU power stages and storage drives. Better cooling not only improves performance, but also extends the lifespan of your components. When it comes to expansion and connectivity, this board is loaded. It supports PCIe 5.0, allowing you to use the latest generation GPUs and ultra-fast NVMe SSDs. There are 4 MMs, 2 slots for flexible and high-capacity storage setups. You also get dual USB 4 ports, along with front and rear USB-C connectivity. Sensor panel link support adds extra flexibility for monitoring and customization. The Gigabyte X870E Aorus Pro Ice Gaming Motherboard blends strong power delivery, advanced cooling, PCIe 5.0, DDR5 memory, and modern connectivity into one premium platform. It's clearly built for gamers and power users who want a future-proof AMD system. If you're serious about building a high-performance AM5 setup, this motherboard is definitely worth checking out. Check the price link in the description for more details. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Dude's Tech for more powerful PC hardware highlights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.